Welcome to this guided meditation session. Today, we will explore our relationship with another fact of existence, which is the inevitability of getting sick. Before we begin, get yourself into a comfortable posture, either sitting or lying down. As you gently close your eyes, take a moment to relax your body and allow your mind to settle down. Let's take a few deep breaths. Inhale through your nose, feeling your lungs expanding. And exhale also through your nose, letting go of any mental chatter and tightness in your body. Once again, inhale, bringing clarity to your mind and vitality to your body. And exhale, bringing relaxation and tranquility. Allow your breath to gradually slow down to a natural flow. Cease to control it and instead bring your attention to it passively. Notice how the body seemingly breathes on its own, focusing your attention on the breath as it comes in and out through your nostrils. Good. Now, let's bring to mind the awareness of the fact that sickness is an inevitable part of being alive. To do this, repeat to yourself as you breathe in. Breathing in, I know I am of the nature to get sick. And as you breath out, breathing out, I know that I cannot escape sickness. As you do this, notice how your body and your mind reacts. Is there aversion in your mind? Maybe restlessness in your body? Simply notice and let go as you keep breathing in and out, repeating. Breathing in. I know I am of the nature to get sick. And breathing out. I know that I cannot escape sickness. Getting sick is part of the natural cycle of life. And sooner or later, no matter how well we look after ourselves, some kind of disease is bound to come to us. Instead of running away from this fact, we can use it to remind ourselves to be grateful and appreciative of the great gift that being healthy is. And as we remind ourselves of this simple fact, we will also be less impacted and disappointed when someone close to us have to face any kind of illness. Let's stay with the awareness of the inevitability of getting sick for a few moments. Use your breath to center yourself, and whenever you find yourself ruminating or lost in thoughts, bring your attention back to your breath. Good. Now listen to the following phrases, keeping yourself balanced and mindful, noticing and acknowledging any reactions, physical or mental, that come as a result. Health is not for granted. Getting sick is inevitable. The body is fragile and has an expiration date. Everyone is subject to illness at any time. Allow these phrases to resonate. Staying present and mindful with a non-judgmental awareness of your mental and bodily state. Let's finish this session by consciously bringing some warm feelings of loving kindness and compassion towards ourselves. You may repeat silently, May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be free from suffering. And whenever you feel ready, gently open your eyes.